floated further and further from the shoreline, completely lost in her thoughts of leaving that fear behind. The print gets smaller. Turning over on her back, she lifted her face to the sky and waited for the rain.
You're feeling what I'm feeling. Maybe we can stay in our human forms and truly enjoy each other before we have to shift back into a bird and a butterfly. I do not think I am feeling what you are feeling.
The book she knew she now had to write, entitled Nonsensical Ireland Trip. Ireland, the girl, the ghost, and well-used quotes.
Guys, welcome to the Cliffs of Moher. Are you all ready? Away we go, guys. Follow the leader. To the Cliffs of Moher.